Good morning, class 4. Welcome to the offline class, and today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter number 13, fields and fences. Now in this chapter, fields and fences, we will deal with the area and perimeter. Area and perimeter of different rectangles or squares or different figures. Okay, so let us study this one. See, Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. You can see the picture. The person's name is Rahmat and he is growing wheat in his field. I need a fence around my field. How much wire should I buy? Now Rahmat, he wants a fencing around his field, and he want that what is the measurement of the fencing. He don't know how much he wants, so he have to calculate that one. Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary of the field. Can you find it from this picture? See the length of each side written near it. Now you can see, Rahmat, the length of the figure is given here. The different sides measurement it is given. You have to find the wire, how much wire it's needed for the fencing. So as you know, you have to add all the boundary. Okay, now this adding the boundary means you are calculating the perimeter of the field. Okay, just remember that whenever we are adding the outside boundary of any figure, anything, that will give you the perimeter of the thing. Okay, see here it is given, the boundary is 54 meters long. Now it is already given here, it is 54 meters long, but then also you will find it out. How you will find the boundary? See, 9 plus 9, this is page number 149. See what you will do, you will add boundary is equals to, first one is 21 meter plus 9 meter plus 9 meter plus 15 meter, which is equals to 54 meter. Okay, so here when we are adding the boundary, we are getting 54 meter. That means the perimeter we are getting 54 meter. Perimeter of Rahmat's field is 54 meter. Next, Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. Now he has bought a 70 meter wire for the fence. See, I should also do the same for my field, Ganpat. Now Ganpat is also saying that I will also do the same thing as Rahmat has done for my field. Can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. Oh sure, why not? Now Ganpat, he is saying to Rahmat that whatever wire is left, you give it to me. I will do the same thing as you have done for my field. Now you have to find out that how much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat. How much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat? You have to find it out. See, first of all, the total length of the wire. See, the total, this is page 150. This is page number 150. You will write total length of wire is equals to 70 meter. It is given here 70 meter, but the perimeter of the field is 54 meter. So what you will write? Wire used by Rahmat. He has used only 54 as the boundary is 54 meter. So therefore wire left, it is 70 meter. 70 meter minus 54 meter, that is 16 meter. Isn't it? That means Rahmat has given 16 meter of the wire to Ganpat. Okay, Rahmat has given 16 meter of the wire to Ganpat. Okay, this way you have found how much wire is being used by Ganpat and Rahmat. Now next one, Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field, but he needed to give more wire. But now the picture is showing the field of Ganpat, and he needs more wire. How long is the boundary of Ganpat's field, and how much more wire will Ganpat need for his field? Now you have to find out what is the perimeter of Ganpat's field. So how you will find out? By adding all the boundaries, okay, all the side of the boundaries. So let us add this one. So the perimeter of Ganpat's field, or the boundary of Ganpat's field. So you will write number 2. Boundary of Ganpat's field. It is 18 meter plus 9 meter plus 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 9 meter. So add it. By adding you will get 66 meter. Okay, so by adding we are getting 66 meter as the boundary of Ganpat's field, or the perimeter of Ganpat's field. Now how much Ganpat needs? So the same thing you will write. You have to find how much more Ganpats need. So you will write boundary of Ganpat's field is equals to 66 meter, and wire given by Rahmat, it is 16 meter, isn't it? Therefore more wire needed is equals to 66 meter minus 16 meter. It will be 50 meter, isn't it? 50 meter more wire is needed for Ganpat, for his field, isn't it? So you will write Ganpat needs 50 meter more wire for his field. Okay, so this way you will solve the perimeter of different fields, okay, and the wire required to fence that one. Yes, now come to page 151. See, in page 151, practice time. Here are pictures of some more fields. Find out which one has the longest boundary. That means here in the practice time, just you have to add and you have to find the boundary, or you have to find the perimeter of the different fields. Okay, see the first one, number A. It is given, directly you solve, no need to write the statement, directly you will solve. Just you will add boundary is equals to 24 plus 15 plus 6 plus 15. Let us write this one. Just directly you will solve, nothing to write. 151. So boundary is equals to 24 meter plus 15 meter plus 6 meter plus 15 meter. Okay, so boundary is equals to 10, 15, 20, 0, 2, 2, 4, 5 and 6, 60 meter. That means for first one, number A, we are getting boundary as 60 meters. Similarly, you will add for number B, C and D. Just add and write the answer. It will give you the boundary or the perimeter of the fields. Okay, so this is I am giving you as homework. You will do it of your own. Now come to the next page, page 152. See question number 2. Page 152, question number 2. Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village. At 70 years of age, he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. What is the total distance he covers? Okay, now see, Chandu's father, he is very fit and fine in the age of 70. You have to find out that how many rounds he is taking for Chandu's field. You can see in the picture the field is given and it is the field of Chandu. You have to find out the perimeter, that means how much he is taking the round for one time. So what you will do, you will add all the things, 100 plus 150 plus 100 plus 150, that will give you the boundary of Chandu's field or the perimeter of the Chandu's field, and he is taking 4 rounds of the field, so that you will multiply by 4, isn't it? So let us do this one. This is page 152. So you will write boundary of Chandu's field is equals to 100 meter plus 150 meter plus 100 meter plus 150 meter. So this you are getting 200 and 400, 500 meter, isn't it, when you will add. So this is the perimeter of Chandu's field. Now you have to find that how much the total distance he covers. So you will write, therefore the distance covered by his father is equals to 4, since he is making 4 rounds, so 4 into 500 meters, so 4 5s are 20, isn't it? So it will be 2000 meter, and as you know 1 meter is equals to 1000, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, that means 2000 meter is equals to 2 kilometers. So you will write the answer 2 kilometer. You will write the answer 2000 meter or 2 kilometer. Okay, 2000 meter or 2 kilometer. Okay, so students, today up to this only. From question number 3 we will do it in our next online class. Okay, so bye all of you. Online or offline, whatever we will get, we will do it in that class. Okay, so bye all of you, and practice this fields and fences. It is related to the area and perimeter. Okay, bye all of you. And one more thing, whatever we will do it in the class, up to that only it will come to your term 2 assessment. Okay, repeatedly I am telling this one, that whatever we are able to do it in the class, that much only will come to your assessment. Okay, yes, bye all of you.